So when she was outside on the step, gazing at the winter afternoon, and rain was falling, and it seems to dark came to and spinning like ashes. Means its total atmosphere is seeming to her like a disappointing, because she couldn't purchase that enamel box, and there was a cold, bitter taste in the air, because when there was raining, and anybody can enjoy the raining. Anybody can enjoy the taste of that atmosphere, the smell of that raining. But as far as the Rosemary Fail is concerned, she was disappointed because she could not purchase that particular box. That's why she was disappointed. That's why she observed the external phenomena as looking disappointed for her, and sat where the lights in the house opposite and everything outside seems to her disappointed, seems to her sad, seems to her unhappy, because she herself was unhappy, she herself was disappointed, because she couldn't purchase the enamel back. Dimly they burned as if regretting something, because she was also regretting something, because she couldn't get that enamel box, and the people hurried by, hidden under their hateful umbrellas. She just when she observed the external affairs, she just each and everything appearing in front of her eyes seems to her very disappointing, very hateful. Each and every scenes outside that shop seems to her very hateful. She just wants to avoid each and everything, because she couldn't purchase that enamel box. In such situation, we can observe the mental situation of that particular protagonist, Rosemary Fail, her psychic state of that protagonist, Rosemary Fail, how she was so impulsive, how she was so, we can say, she was not ready to adjust a thing in her life, because she was so wealthy lady, and she could purchase each and everything she wants. But sometimes it happen in our life that though we are so rich, though we are so healthy, wealthy, whatever it may be, but sometimes circumstances compel us to adjust something in our life. But as far as Rosemary Fail is concerned, she is not always ready to adjust. If she try to adjust something, that adjustment generally trouble her and make her disappointed. And this on the this total description of atmosphere, we can conclude that the whole atmosphere described portrays the psychic state of that particular lady, Rosemary Fail. She pressed her muff. Muff means that muffrel are generally the warm cloth generally we wrapped around her hands and nail. That is muff. Her muff against her breast, she wished had the little box to cling to. Just as she pressed her muff against her breast, in the same way she wished that if there could be there if she had that little box to cling to her breast, because how we can imagine how much she likes that particular enamel box. But still she waited. There are moments, horrible moments in life, when one emerges from the center and look out, and it's awful. The such type of moments generally happen in each and everybody's life. But we have to learn how to adjust it. But when we adjust that particular thing and look out of that, and it seems that it's awful, and one ought to give way to them. One ought to go home and have an extra special tea. But at the very instant of thinking that young girl, thin, dark, shadowy, where had she come from, was standing at Rosemary's elbow, and voice like sigh, almost like a sob, breathed, "Ma'am, may I speak to you a moment?" And this was the moment. Just she was pondering about her situation. Just she was pondering about the atmosphere. Just she was thinking about the atmosphere. Just she was regretting about her state that she couldn't buy that particular enamel box. And just she, we can say, just consoles herself that such type of moments also happen in everybody's life, but in such cases we have to maintain ourselves, adjust ourselves, and after going all that, there will be the some awful time in our life, and such type of consolation she gives to herself. In meanwhile, some incidents happens there. A young girl, just she was going to home and taking a fresh tea, and just she was thinking about taking a tea. There happens one thing that a young girl, thin, dark and shadowy, that young girl is thin, dark and shadowy, and where she had come from, that Rosemary Fell even doesn't know where from she has come, and was standing at the Rosemary's elbow, and just behind Rosemary she was standing, and voice like sigh, and just in low voice that particular young lady request Rosemary Fell, madam, may I speak to you a moment? मैडम, मैं आपके साथ थोड़ा देर बात कर सकती हूँ क्या? This was the request done by that particular young lady to the Rosemary Fell. What happens after that we will discuss tomorrow. Okay.